Have you ever hit start and wondered, what do I do next? With our new animated drill preview, users will now know how many balls will be passed per location and also be able to see exactly where the ball is going before starting the drill.
Eclipse IoT technology allows Dr. Dish to monitor and upgrade our basketball rebounding machines in the field. With the ability to upgrade and launch new features like multiplayer for customers that allow multiple players to use our machine. Our customers are delighted to find that they can use our machine with multiple players, for example, with this simple update. And additionally, we've launched new products at a rapid rate because we can fix any software issue that has come up with a simple software update.
I co-founded Kynetics around 2005 while I was doing my PhD. I have a background in satellite navigation algorithms, and I got into serious embedded systems when my team at University of Padua was putting together a PC 104 module with a real-time Linux as part of a stratosphere balloon program. Any customer design is very different from a hardware standpoint. Developing an OS is something that takes you close to the metal. Doing the initial review of a project is always a challenge. Establishing a common language and aligning the parties on their respective processes takes indeed some time. Following design best practices is crucial for the product success and to maintain also high quality software standards. I think I've installed my first Eclipse IDE around 2001, and back then, when very few serious software was given for free, Eclipse licensing model was really attractive for both the IDE and the rich client platform framework it was designed upon. Many devices are deployed in the field, and we all know that software in general moves quite fast, and that there are several reasons a product may need to update its software stack. Can be the kernel, can be the user space operating system, or the user end application. I think there is no way a small business can manage the complexity of a modern software architecture by writing everything from scratch. Of course, you have to work on your business model to be compliant with the different open source license you may use, but it's nothing compared to what you should face otherwise. Our product update factory leverages Eclipse Hawkbit. We came across Hawkbit around 2017, and we had all the back-end infrastructures and the technical background to actually evaluate it in a pretty short time, and we really like it a lot.
What Dr. Dish and Kynetics did together is truly fantastic. They vindicate our contention that open source is truly a successful business model. Open source increases quality and reduces time to market. So my message to you is this: stop reinventing the wheel. Join our ecosystem and our open source projects, and then you will be able to dedicate more resources to innovation. Ultimately, you will deliver more value to your partners and customers. And this is what open source is all about.